You know what we call this shirt? Snapper Jones.
Yeah.
Snapper Jones.
Yeah.
We could do books. Books.
Try.
You haven't seen all the books. The books. Where are the books? Where are the books?
Tab, don't you dare get her to pull the books down.
We spent a lot of time doing that. What is that? A label. That drawer opens. That has things that can come out. They can come out. That has things that come out. Oops, sorry.
It's all right.
No way. I bumped her. It's
Oh.
okay.
Oh my goodness.
It's okay. Look what. Whoa. Look. It's okay. I didn't mean to bump you. It was a mistake.
Oh, in the eye. That's right.
It was a mistake. Oh, okay. Should we see the pictures?